needs a home.
I think it likes me.
Aww. We just got a rare bird.
I don't know if it's available.
It's a rare bird.
Oh, it's eating. You want food? You have bread? Yeah, get the bread out.
I don't have bread. I want that bird.
I want that bird too. That bird scared the hell out of me.
Come on, let's go. Oh my god. Oh, it likes us. I think it's going back to its home.
Maybe that's not a thing.
Maybe it's just trying to find. Come here.
That bird stayed on my leg at first and then it flew. I felt something on my leg and when I looked like that.
Come on, let's get close to it.
You can go close to it and stay right here on the street.
Come here. Come here.
Bend down.
Come here.
Oh my god, there's another bone.
Aw. What if we're in somebody's yard?
Seriously, your bone is getting away.
Come here.
Look like an idiot.
I don't fucking care. Oh, it's trying to talk to us. Do you need a home? Do you need a home?
You want a home? I'll take you home.
Come on. It will follow us. Come on, did you tell